I think it's time to switch up the channel. Why? Not because I want it, but because I see that you guys want something. I received a lot of DMs about, hey, what do you think about the current situation of the market? Is it over? Is it not over? Can we see another run to the upside, or do we need to sell all our tokens? And guys, so I thought, let's switch more the channel, the Crypto June channel, to something which is more informative. More informative about what is going on inside the chart and what do I expect and what do I trade to, because nobody can predict the future. Maybe only Trump yesterday, when he was announcing something that he thinks like, hey, this will move the chart to the upside with a hold of 90 days of tariff. But in general, nobody can predict these things. We can only do things based on data. So the Crypto June channel will be more informative, and what I mean with that is I want to talk multiple times a week about Bitcoin, Solana, but also about trading opportunities. Trading opportunities which we can do with small leverage. I'm not gonna do 10, 20, 100x leverage. Why? Because it is very high risk. You don't want to risk your money. We are here to make some money. And what I want to do is, I want to keep you up to date about, hey, what is happening inside the chart? And once I see an opportunity, which I also trade myself, then I will make another video, let you know which kind of actions I make, so you can follow me making money during this journey. So if you want to be part of this, click the like and subscribe button, and also don't forget the notification bell button to stay up to date about upcoming videos. So guys, the first thing I want to discuss is, are we doing any trades right now? In this video, no. And I will explain you also why. Let me zoom in a little bit. So I opened up myself some trades on Solana. It was in the last days. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. So I bought Solana at around $97, 98, around 100. Let's say $100. And now I'm taking some profits. So I bought Solana for $100 and it was around here. And after that, we are now sawing a pump yesterday of Trump. So what I did was I sold my positions. Why? Because not I think we can go higher, but most of the time when something happens like this, a news event, it can be going higher with a pump. It results in a retracement. And nothing is bullish here right now for the coming weeks, because we didn't make any new higher high or higher low. We are still in a downtrend. And also the same happens for news events. So when there is a big news event which have a huge crash into the market, what will happen is, most of the time when the news is over, then like the coming days or even coming weeks, the price recovers to the upside. So that's one thing that I want to do and also discuss in these videos, is like when I open and close my trades. So for this video, so no new trades, just some informative updates about the current state of the market. So we bought here, we sold here, and like I said, like the Bitcoin fear and greed index is 39. So in general, right now buying is for the longer run. Like it can be good, but I think this cycle is also a little bit different. So what I mean with that is, people are not holding their crypto anymore for riding it to 100 or 200x. They are doing it entering the market, and after that, when they have like a 2 or 3x profit, they are out. Right now we are seeing a pattern inside the chart that it is still bullish, but if we look at the last year of 2021, we see an uptrend, we see it broke down, another higher high, and then we saw we couldn't break anymore the new all-time high. We set a high here, and a higher high, and a higher high, and a higher high. Then we saw here that we couldn't break the last all-time high, which gives a result in making a low. Then again, we had another rally, and once you cannot break anymore the last high, it means you are in a downtrend until it is proven otherwise. But right now what we see is we made a high and high and a high, but we couldn't break the previous high, which results in a downtrend, setting a new low here, another low here. So we want to break 90k with a full candle on the weekly before we can see a potential new run to maybe 100k or 110k. So for now, I'm waiting patiently for buying in the big bags, which means is I am buying holding it and also having it take profit before I place and buy my bags. Many of you are buying as mad apes. They feel like, oh my god, it is green, let me buy now. But that is not the way you need to trade crypto. No, before you enter the market, you want to have a game plan. So for me is, I'm buying with 30% of my capital that is now in USDT. I'm buying here at this area, 70k, around that, 72k. I will enter the market on my favorite altcoins and also Bitcoin and some Solana. And then I wait. And my first take profit is around this area. Why this area? It means is we see some support levels here. We didn't saw some resistance because there's nothing in the history. So based on that, my first take profit will be here. And of course, when we go lower, I have capital on the side to buy more because we cannot predict the future. Also, I'm thinking that there will be a bounce back here. But if we go lower, then I'm prepared to buy more, which lowers my price and results in a lower average price. So when we have a bounce back, which always will be happen somewhere, we don't know where, that means that we can make some profits. So people that are aping in with all of their money all in once, results they cannot do dollar cost average, they are panicking and doing things based on emotions. So what you can expect in the following videos, like I said, I want to talk more deeply inside the chart. I didn't do it right now because this is out of my head. I don't have any script. I didn't prepare anything. I just want to announce like, hey, what can you expect in the next videos? Let's make some money together and talk about the chart. I will let you know when I'm opening up some trades. I will do it on Bluefin. Why Bluefin? Because it's a non-KYC exchange where we can open up trades, deposit money as easy as possible and start straight away. And also, these guys are having some exclusive bonuses. You can see the bonuses here right now, all the way up to $10,000. I will prepare tomorrow and also over the weekend some more information for you where I am buying more, some interesting charts like what are the whales doing, what are the Bitcoin whales and wallets doing, are they buying, are they selling? You have a very clear overview of that, like what are the people doing of 1 Bitcoin, 10 Bitcoin, 100 Bitcoin and also 1000 Bitcoin. And I can say guys, if you're still watching, these guys are doing something interesting. Some of these people, some of the whales, I'm not saying 100 or 1000, are selling and some of them are buying more. And I will show you exactly that on Monday. So come back on Monday on the channel. Let me prepare some stuff for you and let's make some money together on the channel. I would love to have some comments here if you're watching. Let me know if you look forward to the Monday video and let me also know what you want to see in these videos and I see you in another one. Bye bye.